everyone, welcome to my channel all about biology, and this is Jyoti Verma. Today I am going to mention some of the important books that you need to know about if you are a MSc Botany students. So the syllabus that I am following in this video is of the Lucknow University MSc Botany syllabus. Okay, and if you are a student other than the Lucknow University and if you are having these papers in your MSc Botany, then these books will be very helpful to you. So I am mentioning the name of the books. The suggested readings are available on the Lucknow University website also, so you can have a look on the website also. So now I am going to mention you about some of the important books, and the links of these PDF books as well as ebooks I will mention it in the description box, so you can have a look at the description box also. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the paper first within the MSc Botany semester 2, and these are the suggested readings. The details of these suggested readings is available on the Lucknow University website. I have chosen only 2-3 books that could be very important to you if you are a MSc Botany students. I am not forcing you to follow these books, but it's your choice that you want to read these books or not. You should go through all the books, and wherever you find it better you can take up from that. So in MSc you should follow different books for different topics. You have to concern through different books for different topics. In MSc you can't find all the topics within a single book. Okay, so you have to go through different books, you have to read different books, you have to make your own notes, you have to go through the lectures given by your teachers. Okay, so the suggested readings for the paper Pteridophytes are The Morphology of the Pteridophytes by K.R. Sporne. This is very good book. All the details related to the morphology of the Pteridophytes is available in this book. Next one is An Introduction to the Pteridophyta Diversity and Differentiation by A. Rashid. And next one is The Biology and Morphology of the Pteridophytes by N.S. Parihar. So you can go through these books. Next we are moving through the paper second of the MSc Botany semester 2, that is your Gymnosperms and Paleobotany. Okay, so if you are having this paper in your MSc Botany, then you can refer to these books. The first one is Gymnosperms by S.P. Bhatnagar and Moitra. This is the best book for the Gymnosperms that you can ever see. This is available on the Google Books section also. Next one is An Introduction to the Gymnosperms, Cycas and Cycadales, Divyadarshan Pant BSIP. You can go through this. This will be very helpful to you. Next one is Gymnosperm Structure and Evolution by C.J. Chamberlain. This book will be very helpful to you. The Morphology of the Gymnosperm by K.R. Sporne. The diagrams of this book are very good. You can go through the diagrams through this book. Botany for Degree Students Volume 5 Gymnosperm. This is available on the Google Books portion. You can go through it. Gymnosperms Extent and Extent. If you have extent as well as extent genus of the gymnosperms in your syllabus, then you can go through this book. The best book for the embryology of the gymnosperm is by Hardev Singh. This will be very helpful to you for the embryology of the gymnosperm, or your concepts will be clear after reading this book. Gymnosperms of India and Adjacent Countries by K.C. Sahani. This book is very helpful to you. Botanical Monograph of Neetum. If you have Neetum in your syllabus, then you can go through this monograph. This will be very helpful to you. And if you have Pinus in your syllabus, then you can go through this. This will be very helpful to you. So all these books are very helpful to you if you are having Gymnosperms and Paleobotany in your paper. Next we are going through the paper 3 of the MSc Botany semester 2, that is your Plant Development and Reproduction. It can also be called as the Morphology, Plant Morphology. Okay, so the suggested readings for this paper are An Introduction to the Plant Anatomy by A.J. Eames. Then for embryology portion you can go through B.M. Johari. Then for plant morphogenesis, this book is very helpful to you. For pollen morphology you can go through this book. For anatomy of the seed plants you can go through the book of Esau. For embryology of the angiosperms, Bhojwani and Bhatnagar is the best book for the embryology of the angiosperms. Then for the developmental biology of the flowering plants, you can go through V. Raghavan. For the anatomy of the seed plants, you can go through V. Singh and P. C. Pandey book. Okay, so these are the suggested readings for the plant development and reproduction paper, and if you have knowledge about other books related to this paper, then you can mention it in the comment section. Next, we are going through the paper 4th of the MSc Botany semester 2, that is your plant systematics, also termed as plant taxonomy. So for taxonomy, you should have a flora of upper gangetic plains by Duthie. This is very helpful to you for the classification of the plants in your practical portion. This book will be very helpful to you for the practical portion, for the identification of the different characteristics related to different families. Okay, then the families of flowering plants by John Hutchinson, the evolution and the classification of flowering plants by Conquest, the principle of angiosperm taxonomy, then the classification of flowering plants by Alfred Barton Randall, then plant systematics by Gurucharan Singh. You can also go through the taxonomy of the angiosperms also. So these are the suggested readings for the taxonomy paper. You can also go through different books, and if you are using books other than these, then you can mention it in the comment section. That will be helpful to the other students also. So that is all about the suggested readings and the books related to MSc Botany semester 2. If you have these papers in your MSc Botany semester 2, then these suggested readings will be very helpful to you. The details of this suggested readings is available on the Lucknow University website, and I will share the links of some of the Google books as well as some of the PDF books that could be easily accessed by you. Okay, so if you like the video, just subscribe to my channel for further updates. If you know about more better books, more advanced books, then you can mention it in the comment section. That will be helpful for the other students. Okay, so thank you so much.